In the Tahoe Sea rear lounge, you'll glide over the waves comfortably while you sunbathe in the most fully equipped rear lounge model in its class. This Wave Glider high-performance model is equipped with the industry's only oversized, electric-powered rear lounges. Convert from lounge to bed in seconds with the push-button seat back adjustment. Also, enjoy a Bluetooth stereo system, fiberglass driver station, and all of the other great C-Series features on this one-of-a-kind watercraft. Find your secret spot with the Tahoe Sea Rear Lounge.